Top 5 foods to lower your cholesterol levels naturally. Are you looking for natural ways to lower your cholesterol? It can be difficult to know where to start, but luckily, there are a variety of delicious and nutritious foods that can help you on your journey. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 foods that can help lower your cholesterol levels naturally and easily. Eating these foods regularly can help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels and lead to an overall healthier lifestyle. 1. Oats. Oats are a powerhouse of nutrition and one of the best foods to lower your cholesterol levels naturally. Oats are a great source of fiber, specifically beta-glucan, which has been proven to lower LDL cholesterol levels. Eating just 3 grams of oat beta-glucan each day can reduce total cholesterol levels by 8 to 23% and LDL cholesterol levels by up to 20%. Oats also contain antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus, all of which can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Try adding oats to your breakfast with yogurt, milk, or a smoothie, or you can use oats as an alternative flour in baking. 2. Beans. Eating beans regularly can help to reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and improve HDL, good, cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that diets that include at least half a cup of cooked beans every day can reduce LDL cholesterol levels by 5 to 10%. Beans are also a great source of B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, iron, and zinc. When selecting beans, choose those that are low in sodium and free of additives. To cook beans, soak them overnight before boiling them. To reduce the amount of gas associated with eating beans, add a small piece of kombu or seaweed while cooking. Adding beans to your diet can be easy. Try adding them to salads, soups, stews, rice dishes, tacos, and burritos. You can also use beans as a spread on toast or crackers, blend them into hummus, or mash them up for a dip. No matter how you choose to eat them, adding beans to your diet is sure to be a delicious way to lower your cholesterol naturally. 3. Nuts. Nuts are a great source of heart-healthy fats and fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol levels. Eating a handful of nuts each day can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels by up to 5%. Walnuts are especially beneficial for lowering cholesterol as they are high in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Other types of nuts such as almonds, pecans, pistachios, and hazelnuts are also beneficial for heart health. Eating these nuts in moderation is recommended as they are high in calories. Eating unsalted and raw nuts is best to retain the most nutrients. 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish is an excellent choice when it comes to lowering cholesterol levels naturally. These types of fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce triglyceride levels and raise HDL, good cholesterol. Examples of fatty fish include salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and herring. Not only are these types of fish good for lowering your cholesterol, but they're also packed with important nutrients like vitamin D, selenium, and potassium. Eating fatty fish twice a week is a great way to get your omega-3s without increasing your saturated fat intake. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best foods for lowering cholesterol levels. It's full of healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol levels and total cholesterol. In addition to this, olive oil is a great source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help improve overall health. When it comes to cooking with olive oil, it's best to use extra virgin olive oil. This type of olive oil is less processed than other types, meaning that it retains more nutrients and has higher antioxidant content. Try using it in salads, sauces, or as a dip for bread. When cooking with olive oil, make sure to avoid temperatures that exceed its smoke point of 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Otherwise, it can produce harmful toxins that could be damaging to your health. Finally, research suggests that consuming just 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day can lower total cholesterol by up to 10%. So, if you're looking to lower your cholesterol naturally, adding olive oil to your diet is a great place to start.